This is the second squares block. I've got fabric A, which is the same colour as we used in the first block, the pinky purpley colour. Fabric B, which has the flowers on, and fabric C, which is the doily fabric in the pink. So it's one square each of those, and then for our background we're using fabric 29. I've got two strips here, 1.5 by 3.5. They're to go in between the squares. Once we've put those on, we're going to be joining these two side strips. And the side strips are G, that's 2 inches by 11.5 inches. I've made two slightly different size strips, and this is just so that this block fits into the overall quilt. It doesn't really matter which way round your E and F strips are, but I've made my E strip 2.5 by 6.5 and my F strip 2 3/4 by 6.5. So here's the order I sewed mine. I put the filler strips on the right hand side of the first two squares and then joined everything in a row. So I've joined the 3 squares with the strips in between, and now I'm going to put the side pieces on. And now the final step in this nice easy little block is to put my E strip on the top and then my F strip on the bottom.